Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Rochelle, Illinois. Oh, right there, we're 39, Interstate 39, and the toll road 88, where they kind of intercept right there. We're at a petrol truck stop. I also bumped into my friend Rudy once again, and we're both flying. You'll see his drone here in a minute. I was kind of hoping to fly tandem. It's hard to do, but I've seen on YouTube where, you know, a couple buddies would have a drone and they could fly tandem. But you got to work as a team to do this. If you're not a team player, it will never work. And Rudy's a wonderful flyer. He can fly, but it's hard to get him to want to. See, there he is right there. I was following him. We were going to fly out to a water tower, and I was just kind of hoping we could follow, but he's in super mode and he's playing, so he's having a good time with it. So ended up I left him and I just went ahead and I made it all the way to the water tower. I actually made it there and we turned around and come all the way back. It's over 5,500 meters out, which is over 3 miles one way, 6 miles there and back. Matter of fact, when I got back, I only had 26% battery left in my drone. That's a rock quarry there that we went over. And we go over a couple lakes. I don't know if they're natural lakes or man-made lakes. I'm thinking it's like this rock quarry here. When they get done, it floods or whatever and it's full of water. That's my guess anyway. Because this one's right next to the rock quarry here. But we are flying. Just a nice, easy flight. I'm not in super mode, sports mode. I'm just in regular mode there. I love looking at the terrain when I'm flying. This is all flat ground too, so that makes a big, super difference in when you're flying long distance. But Rudy was giving me a few tips here and there, telling me a few things. And very, very, very knowledge individual he is. So it's good lessons to learn. If you guys really honestly have any questions or you're having a hard time with your drone, he's really the man that can probably answer the question and help you. See, there's the second lake right there. That's a pretty big lake too. I know some of you guys don't really, like I said before, don't really care for the drone shot. And you're probably wondering, am I ever going to make video of truck? Yes, I will, but 5 years, guys. That's how long I've been making videos of the truck. And the numbers aren't really where they should be after 5 years of doing it. So you know what, I don't care about the numbers anymore. I'm just going to show you guys what I like to show you, and I'm sure if there's a few of you guys like to see it, you'll watch it. If not, if you don't really care for it, I noticed on my last drone I had 7 thumbs down. If you guys don't like it, you don't have to be here. You can go somewhere else. There's other trucking channels to watch. I'm not going to change the title, Trucker Jukebox, or the trucking channel, because we are out here on the road. And we're flying from different truck stops in different areas. And but if you don't like it, you don't have to stick around. You don't even have to watch it. I just wanted to put that out there. I just enjoy doing this. And if I'm going to fly, there's a camera on my drone, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. It's kind of like, you know, just showing you. I love the sights above. I love showing down. And unless you're in a, helicopter or an airplane, you're not going to see this image unless, you know, now there's drones out there, so you can see this image on a drone, but you're not going to see this like if we're going down the road in the truck. You're just going to see the highway and the edge of the highway, the interstate. That's Interstate 88. Well, if you go west, it's not a toll. If you go east, it's a toll. But it's 88. It goes all the way to Moline, Illinois, to Chicago. Yeah, we're flying out. If you look straight ahead, you'll see a water tower. That's like 5,500 meters out. That's a little over 3 miles one way. I asked Rudy if he made it there. He said he got close. But he was enjoying himself. He was flying and checking out things. And me, I just went, pretty much I went straight to the water tower. I used every bit of my battery to go there and back. But I got that second battery, right? So I can use that second battery and kind of look around a little. I shared my second battery with him. I used part of it, and he used the other part. Don't forget to watch his video. He's 7 days behind. So what you see today happened 7 days ago. But you'll see his flight as well. He did a good job panning around the Petro sign. Yeah, this is all flat ground. I took full advantage of the distance. When I got on the interstate yesterday, I had to leave the truck stop. And when I got on the interstate and I saw that water tower, and I'm thinking, my, that is a long way from the truck stop. But remember, we're taking the road, right? So we're going as the crow flies. So it's always going to be a little shorter distance than taking the road. There's the Rochelle water tower. We get a little close. You can see the lettering on the water tower. See my propellers a little bit. Getting a little bit closer. This is going to be a one take. I'm not going to edit nothing out of this, so you're going to see the whole flight to the water tower and back. We actually do fly up to the water tower. I mean, I didn't hit it. I didn't like kiss it, but excuse me. But you can see the lettering on it. So we're right there. See, there it is, right there. That's 5,500 meters out. And we kind of turn around and we're headed back. The highway you see to the right, it was to the left. That's the interstate. Now, you don't see the interstate so clear now because you're seeing this road where you see that truck. That's just like a back road that runs along I-39. Hopefully I said I-39, right? Not 37 or something. Now we're flying back. I let the drone do its thing. We just taking our time. We never lost connection. We never lost our connection on this flight. So that was a good flight. Very good flight. I did see a warehouse, a whole warehouse that looked like it wasn't in business anymore. You'll see that. We'll see it here in a minute. I didn't see no. I mean, you see about 3 cars in the parking lot, but you don't see no trucks. You don't see nothing. It's amazing how many warehouses we have here in the U.S. that are empty. not in use anymore. I would imagine that's corn below us. It is farmland. It's a lot of farmland around there. I know I've said it before, but I love flying. My mind is up in that drone. When I'm flying, I block everything around me out. And my mind is actually up there. I'm going to order me a set of goggles. Would like to anyway, for my drone. So I can put them on, and virtually it's going to look like I'm up in that drone. See this warehouse that we're coming up on? You'll see what I'm talking about. Just look in the parking lot. It's empty. You may see 2 or 3 cars, but it's empty. You won't see any trucks. It looked like a warehouse that used to be. It looked like a pretty decent warehouse too. It don't look like it's an old one, like falling down or anything. But look at that parking lot. It's empty. I mean, I see 1, 2, 3. I see a few cars, but you don't see nothing big. And if coming the other way, obviously you're not going to see it going back. But coming the other way, if you look, you don't see nothing on that side of the building either. We're going to be going over the toll road here in a minute again. It's I-88. Go west, it's no toll. If you go east, then it's a toll road. I don't know if this is a natural lake neither. It could be a man-made lake, but you see a boat on there. See that boat? It's pretty cool. You can tell it's a boat because there's ripples behind it, so it's moving. Wonder if there's any fish in that lake. It's a long lake, though. Anytime I fly, I'm going to show you guys a video of it. I just got to, you know, the camera's on. Why am I making a video just for the fun of it, you know? I mean, I can and just show myself. But I like showing you guys. I really do. I guess I kind of get excited to show you where I'm flying. You're always going to have somebody that dislikes a video. I don't care. You go any video that's on YouTube. It could be a really, really super good. I saw a video of a dog rescue. Somebody had rescued a German Shepherd. It was a homeless German Shepherd, and actually it hit me pretty hard. You know, you felt sad for the dog, but they ended up getting the dog, and they cleaned him up, and they adopted the German Shepherd, and he was like happy and like he had a home and everything, and that got a whole bunch of thumbs down. I can't understand the philosophy of people. I guess if it's not a bank robber or somebody getting killed or something like that, well, you know, that's what people want to see. I know. To me, this is not a boring video. If you like flying above and seeing what's down below, to me, this isn't a boring video. I can see, I love drone videos. I watch them, and I just love them. But it's not everybody's cup of tea. But I like them. I have one, and I fly, and I show, and Again, if you don't care for it, you don't have to watch it. You don't have to be subscribed. It's not about the numbers anymore. It's just about just showing whoever wants to see a good drone flight. That's what this is about. There's the rock curry right there. You can see the truck stop. We're coming up on the truck stop. You'll see Rudy here in a minute. Yeah, there's the rock curry. That was a nice flight too. That was a real nice flight. There's the Rochelle Petrol. There's a pilot on the other corner. I did fly over that, but it was on a different. I'm just going to show you guys this, and we're going to be landing here in a minute. Bring the camera down so you can see us. There's the big old, you can see my truck there. Rudy's truck is there too. You can't just see us there. You see us there? We're coming down. The Eagle is landing. Absolutely. But I do think my dedicated followers that is watching, I appreciate you guys. I really do. If you like seeing this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you're not subscribed, check us out. Subscribe. You're going to be seeing, you'll see more than just drone videos. But that's what I'm doing, a whole lot of practicing right now. And we're going to keep on practicing. But God bless. We love you guys. And we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, yeah. Later.